Vande Mataram friends, I am Trivedi would like to share a story with you. I am sure it will make your day. The heading of the title of the story is The Salted Coffee. He met her at a party. She was a gorgeous woman, so beautiful and intelligent, with many men trying to woo her, and he was just an ordinary guy. Nobody paid attention to him. At the end of the party, he invited her to have coffee with him. She was surprised, but being polite, she agreed. They sat in a coffee shop. He was too nervous to say anything and she was uncomfortable, raring to leave. Suddenly, he asked the waiter, "Would you please give me some salt? I'd like to put it in my coffee." Everybody started at him, so strange. Suddenly, he asked the waiter, "Would you please give me some salt? I'd like to put it in my coffee." Everybody stared at him, so strange. His face turned red, but still, he put the salt in the coffee and drank it. She curiously inquired about the salted coffee. He replied, "When I was a little boy, I lived near the sea. I liked playing in the sea. I could feel the taste of the sea just like the taste of the salted coffee. Now every time I have the salted coffee, I always think of my childhood, think of my hometown and my parents." She was deeply touched and she also spoke about her faraway hometown, her childhood, her family. It was a sweet conversation and also the beautiful beginning of their story. They continued to date. She found that actually he was a man who met all her demands and he had tolerance and was kind-hearted. He was a good person and she had almost missed him, thanks to his salted coffee. The story was just like every beautiful love story. The princess married the prince and they were living the happy life. And every time she made coffee for him, she put some salt in the coffee as she knew that the way he liked it. After 55 years together, he passed away, left her a note which said, "My dearest pleasure for giving me, forgive my whole life lie. This was the only lie I said to you, the salted coffee." Remember the first time we dated? I was so nervous at that time. Actually, I wanted some sugar, but I said salt. It was difficult for me to change, so I just went ahead. I never thought that could be the beginning of our communication. I tried to tell you the truth many times in my life, but I was too afraid to do so, as I had promised not to lie to you for anything. Now I'm dying. I'm afraid of nothing, so I have to tell you the truth. I never liked the salted coffee. What a strange bad taste. But I have had salted coffee all my life. But since I knew you, I never felt sorry for it. Having you with me was my biggest happiness for my whole life. If I can live for the second time, I would still want to know you and have you for my whole life, even if I had to drink the salted coffee again. There were tears in her eyes. One day someone asked her, "What's the taste of the salted coffee?" And she replied, "Sweet." So what's the reflection of this? Actually, love is nothing to forget but to forgive. Not to see but to understand. Not to hear but to listen. Never let go of good friends and relationship, even though sometimes we have to taste salted coffee. So friends, do you want to taste a salted coffee? Think.